I think he's an advocate for fathers, and so he has a lot of family law attorneys and other consultants on his website where you could find some people listed.
Okay.
I think that there are some other websites as well. They don't immediately come to mind, but Glenn Sachs is certainly one of the commentators I know who's a very big advocate for dads, and I know that he has a lot of people that advertise on his website.
Let's talk a little bit about the Symposium for Parental Alienation Syndrome, and tell us, who should attend this? Who is it for? I would imagine it's for parents as well as other people in the field of divorce litigation or even other psychologists. But tell us a little bit about the Canadian Symposium.
Sure, it is a conference that was primarily organized for family law attorneys, mental health professionals, family law mediators, professionals engaged in supervised visitations, so that they could find solutions for intervention and treatment to help children affected by parental alienation. Now,
again, let's go over some of the warning signs that a parent might see exhibited. Now, are these? I guess these would be primarily through the child. What are some of the warning signs that a parent might notice?
Well, children that once had a close and loving relationship to a parent will start to exhibit changes in their behavior towards the non-custodial parent. Everything from withdrawing their interest in having contact to parroting information that they get from the alienating parent. Parental Alienation Syndrome has a scale that goes from mild to moderate and then to severe. So one of the best things that a parent can do if they believe that they're losing that connection with their child, that their child's affection is in fact starting to be turned against them for reasons that they can't understand. That's a time to educate themselves more clearly about parental alienation and parental alienation syndrome.
Is this something that is starting to see the light of day in the courtroom? Are you starting to see judges and attorneys who are enlightened about the existence of parental alienation syndrome, and are you able to see decisions being made in the courtrooms in divorce cases where maybe judges are a little bit more savvy as to what's really going on, maybe just slightly under the surface here?
Well, the short answer to that question is no. In part, the reason is no, because any good family law attorney would not develop a strategy to prove parental alienation syndrome simply because it's too easy to attack by an opposing attorney arguing that it's not in the DSM and therefore it shouldn't be given any weight. In spite of legal references that parental alienation has met the Fry standard of admissible evidence in the Florida courts, and some other references where parental alienation syndrome has been validated by the courts in many cases, it is still not the best approach to finding the best solution for a child that's caught in that conflict. A better approach would be to have a psychological evaluation done by a psychologist that has a very good understanding of parental alienation and parental alienation syndrome. And that expert that does the psychological evaluation will be the key witness in any hearing on that issue, and will be able to explain to the judge the type of recommendations that would have to be made to help the child have the most reduced exposure to the problem and to be able to receive treatment for it.
Okay, and one of the things that our website and our partner firm who provides a lot of the legal advice on our website, DadsDivorce, one of the things that we always tell fathers to do is to document, and our website is primarily aimed at fathers, although there are mothers that are also on our website. But one of the things we tell fathers to do is to always document things that they're noticing, things that are going on, expenses that they are paying, anything at all relating to their children and relating to their schoolwork, relating to their health care. Always document to be able to prove that you are an active member of that child's life. What about documentation as far as it relates to parental alienation syndrome?